So confirmation that no Libby Clegg involved. The viral infection which affected her in the semi-finals of the 100 metres has led to her withdrawal from this event at Swansea 2014. And this in the T12 category. But as you can see, none of our three remaining athletes are choosing to use a guide here. The European record, 24.46, set by Assia El Hanoui of France in London 2 years ago. KOLNIKOVA, personal best of 24.5, and she starts very quickly out in lane 5, and already she is streaking clear of both ZOTOVA and BERGES. And Hanka, KOLNIKOVA looks to be winning this one very comfortably at the moment. It's going to be a race for second. BERGES of Spain is doing her best to stay with her, but it's going to be a comfortable qualification for Hanka KOLNIKOVA. 26.79 the time, and second place for Melani BERGES of Spain. The first in each heat qualify, along with the next two fastest losers, and KOLNIKOVA took that very, very comfortably indeed. 26.77 the time, and Melani BERGES will have to wait and see if she is one of the two fastest losers. And right from the start, she really imposed herself on this race. Has the experience of several trips to the podium in major championships in recent years. BERGES crossing the line in 27.18. She will have to hope that the other semi-final is slower. ZOTOVA, the 19-year-old, crossing the line in 28.44. But the Slovak, who has a collection of silver and bronze medals in her career so far, starts her quest for gold in very impressive fashion. 26.77, the winning time into a headwind of 1.4 meters per second. ZOTOVA, the 19-year-old, crossing the line in 28.44. But the Slovak, who has a collection of silver and bronze medals in her career so far, starts her quest for gold in very